In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for FedEx jobs online. Now, to do this, first you want to go to their official website. Depending on your region and location, it may look a bit different, but usually it's going to be quite similar. Then you want to go to the very bottom of the website and you want to click on careers here under our company. And then here you'll be able to see when you scroll down, you have unbox opportunities, and here you have like a bunch of different ones. Okay, so we can apply for different jobs here, like package handlers, drivers, facility operations, etc. There's a bunch of different ones. You can click on the one you're interested in. For example, if I do package handlers, I can click on handle your future, or then you can click on take the wheel, etc. There's a bunch of different ones, so you can just click on whichever and click on the button which appears down here next to this first image, and then you simply can read all about it and click on search for jobs. Okay, so whatever you clicked on, it's going to tell you over here. Then you have the option to actually see all the jobs, or to basically search by keyword, job title, or MOS code, or even by location. You can also use filters, so here you can basically filter things like companies, categories, remote, employment, etc. So I'm just going to go and search by location over here, and let's just type something random over here. So for example, let's say it's going to be like, let's do like Miami Beach. I'm going to click on it, and as you can see, currently there's only one job, but of course for different locations there could be many more. Now in this case, let's say you found a job you want to apply for, you simply want to click on view job, and when you do that, it's going to give you all the descriptions of the job, and you can click on apply at the top right here if you actually want to apply. And when you do this, it's going to take you to a separate page where you'll have to talk to this Olivia over here. So click on chat to apply, and then you have to first review the terms, read them. If you agree with them, click on accept. That way you'll accept the terms, and then it's going to start asking you some questions over here in this chat. So simply just go ahead and answer them. And of course, you have your job description, everything over here on the left. So you can just write your replies. It's going to ask you questions like first name, last name, etc. Some of your info, stuff like that. Keep on answering, and it's going to talk to you. And yeah, that way you can then apply for that specific FedEx job online. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.